Alright, I'm gonna eat my burger. What? Why my burger? I guess it's job for Detective Junior. This is Mario's room. Mario. What do you want, Junior? I want to know if you want to play detectives. But why? Because someone ate my burger. What? We can just go make you another burger. That can be it. No, we gotta play detectives. Fine. We're gonna go. The first place we could go is tell Chef Pepe about it. I guess that's a good idea. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Alright, now let's just wait until he arrives. Oh, what are you guys doing here? Someone ate my burger. Oh, that was, yeah, I don't know who did that. Can you make me another one, or can we play detectives? Yeah, I'm not playing detectives, and, yeah, here, I'm gonna bring you alongside. As you can see, what? Come on, get there. Yeah, we're all out of burgers. And I'm done cooking for the day. I made you a batch of cookies, so yeah, let's come with me. Yeah, Mario. Sorry about your child, but yeah, I'm not making anything else for him. I'm done cooking for the day. Could you just one more burger? Yeah, no, the patties are downstairs and the door's closed because that means I'm done cooking for the day. Please. Yeah, no. Yeah. Go resolve that problem yourself. So, I'm gonna go continue working over here. Well, that sucks. Chef Pepe's over there, all the way over there. Come on, Mario, we gotta go. And we're, I don't know, but I guess we're gonna go see. Tepig might have something to do with this. How about we go interrogate him? Easy, Junior, I'm losing my hat. I wish there was a full burger, but Junior eats everything. Hey, my hat! So here's your stupid fat hat for your stupid fat head. Tepig, what do you want, Junior? Well, I want to know, did you eat my burger? No, I wish. I'm hungry. There's food in the kitchen. You can go get something. How about you go get me something? Sorry, I think I'm... No, sorry. I think I'm coming with cold. That's gross. Ah! Why you do that? Oh, at least there's tissues over there. Yeah, go squeeze your stupid fat nose. But I do really want my burger. Got a piece of bread. Eat that. No, I'm not eating a stupid piece of bread. I wish I had something to eat. Oh yeah, that's the stuff. Blastoise? Yeah? What do you want, Shakalaka, bro? Did you eat my burger? Why would I eat a burger? I'm a vegan. I eat, I forgot what I eat, but I know I do not eat meat. Because I'm a turtle, I am meat, so I don't eat meat. Yeah. Go solve that problem yourself. Oh, plus it's not even any help. I wish it would be any help. Guess we're gonna go see if we could ever find someone else that could be capable.
Oh no, they're walking around. Oh no, they're gonna figure out it's me. I don't want them to know that I ate a piece of cheese.
Junior, come on.
You're too lazy.
Well. What are you doing here, Star?
Well, I definitely did eat a piece of cheese.
So you ate a piece of cheese, but not the burger.
Yeah.
Jeez, Junior. Yeah, no, Junior. I'll talk to Star. Just stay here. You really had to steal the cheese?
Yeah, that was everything that's left, so I took the piece of cheese.
Junior. You could have told me you ate everything but the cheese.
I ate nothing.
I went to go freshen up, eat a piece of gum. God, stretching. Can you stop stretching while I'm talking? Fine. Okay. And yeah, so and then when I came back, the burger was gone, and then I woke you up that was sleeping. I was having a good night's sleep. I guess this isn't my problem. Play detective with Creeper. No, fo, I ain't playing detective. I ain't playing game. I could be playing my Call of Duty. Pack. Oh, I got a strike, kill, care package. Sometimes I feel like it doesn't know what he's talking about. Yeah, me too. I'm going back. I'm going back on the island. Woo! And he's back on the island. You could have at least told me 8 something. I'm gonna cry. I can't even eat my burger. Wait, I know. Stunky might have something to do with it.
Hey, can I get back in my Pokeball? Yeah, c'est ma à mon Pokeball. Où est-ce qu'il est mon père? Ah. Oh, Junior, qu'est-ce que tu viens faire ici?
Stop talking French. I know you like it, but stop.
Oh, fine.
Did you eat my burger?
No, I do not like burgers. I only eat grass and paca berries.
You mean orange berries?
Yeah. Can you help me get in my Pokeball?
I'm destroying his home.
Come on, man. What happened? What's happening over here? Hi, Junior.
You're breaking everything. I'm breaking everything.
Yeah. I have nothing to do, so.
Did you eat my burger?
No, I can't even eat. I'm a piece of candy.
Yeah.
Stunky, what is it?
I don't even know where you are, but meet me on my bed.
This kid is so weird. What do you want from me, Junior?
I want to know if you want to be my partner.
I don't know, okay? Because, you're a turtle. I'm a skunk. We can't be too much of good friends. Plus, I talk French or français, and you talk English. J'aime beaucoup le français. Je viens de France, et toi non. Exactly. That's why I'm not gonna be your partner in crime. I'm just trying to figure out who ate my burger. Oh, that is a bigger crime than I thought it was. Well, I'm not being involved in crime, so... Je ne sais pas quoi faire. I do not know what to do. Oh, okay, that makes more sense. Yeah, no, I'm sorry, but I can't. I think I'm coming down with a cold. I think I'm coming down with a big cold, so... je besoin de... Bye-bye! Aw, he's weird. He's really, really weird. I do not know what to do. I would rather, I guess I'll just ask Chef BB more questions.
You know I can hear you, right?
I know.
What do you want now?
Did you eat my burger?
Yes, I ate your burger. I'm sorry. I ate it because I had nothing to eat. You guys never feed me. And also, this is how it happened. So I came in, and I'm allergic to milk, so I freaked out. I removed the cheese. Okay, I ate the rest. And I don't know what happened, but Star I think came to eat the cheese. I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. In place, I bought you gummies. You can go get a pack of gummies or whatever. Star Wars gummies. Star Wars! You just wait there. Gummies. Gummies! Wow! Hey guys, welcome to the end of the video. If you enjoyed, leave a like. I would appreciate subscribe and see all you guys next time. But quick, I just want to say, well, if you enjoyed this French/English character, there's going to be more of them. But if you like it, leave a like and comment down below if you want me to continue with him. There's going to be more French characters that are going to stay in the series. But this character can just, like, in the series, like, start French and then go completely English. Just let me know. And also, a couple of characters made a second appearance. For half the time, I've never done these characters. But Creeper's not in it because, well, I mean, you heard his voice, but I'm planning on doing something big for Creeper that will show his personality and stuff. So, yeah, like I said before, leave a like. I appreciate subscribe, and I'll see all you guys next time. Bye. Subscribe. So, guys, as I'm just like arranging the video, I hear banging noises, and then bam, there's fireworks outside. Might not be able to see. I'm turning on the light. So as you can see right there, they're really big. There's a big one that it looked really big. Hey, look, it's a shooting star. Just kidding. But so as I'm editing the video, that's what happens. Fireworks. And I think it's like banging on the side of my house because I like hear it in my room, like really hard banging. It smells like smoke out here. Oh, there's music as well. Sorry about the background voice that's happening. It's my father. He's just like telling me stuff. So there's some small ones, but it's, yeah, thumbs up because a plush video turns out to fireworks. Yay. So I guess they are pretty fireworks. It is cold outside. I don't know if you can see, but there is snow. The videos, I know it's really cool, but I'm gonna have to end the video. So I'll see. If leave a like, I would appreciate it. Subscribe. I'll see all you guys next time. Bye.